How to fix your organization's data cannot be pasted here error on Windows 11. Method 1. Update Microsoft Office manually. Open Outlook or another Microsoft Office application. Click File at the top left of the toolbar. Select Office Account. Open the Update Options drop-down menu and select Update Now. Once Office is updated, restart your PC. Method 2. Modify Microsoft InTune protection policy. Open your browser and go to your Microsoft InTune dashboard. In the left pane, click Apps. On the app screen, select App Protection Policies. Select an existing policy, or click Create New Policy, and select Windows Information Protection. Under the Data Transfer section, open the Restrict Cut, Copy and Paste between other apps policy menu, and select any app or another option that fits your needs. Then click OK to save the new policy. Method 3. Create a new file. Open the problematic file. We will use a Word file for demonstration purposes. Hold down Ctrl+A to select all of the data in the file. Then, hold down Ctrl+C, or right-click the selected data, and click Copy. Then, right-click your desktop, select New, and select the file format. Create a name for the new file, and save it. Open the new file. Right-click inside the file, and click Paste. To avoid carrying over formatting-related issues, choose to paste text only. Hold down Ctrl+S or click the Save button to save the file. Now try copying the data to the application that gave you your organization's data cannot be pasted here error. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.